Calculate percentages, simply explained. Meet Tom. His smartphone broke, so he urgently needs a new one. Tom already got 2 offers. Katya sells her smartphone for $400, Georg sells the same product for $350. Both phones have some marks on them, so Katya gives Tom a discount of 25%, and Georg comes up with 15%. Which one is the better deal? Regarding percentages, we're talking about a particular part of 100. 20% is 20 parts of 100, 50% is 50 parts of 100, 75% is 75 parts of 100, and so on. Percentage calculations are also used for comparing values and data, for example in weather forecasts. 85% probability of precipitation means a 15% chance of dry weather in reverse. The formula for percentage calculation is V equals PG/100. P is the percentage and G is the basic value. V is the result, the percentage value. Tom plugs all values into the formula. One time for Katya's offer, one time for Georg's. As soon as he gets both results, he can compare them. Katya wants $400 and gives a 25% discount. Tom therefore calculates, V equals 25 times 400/100. The result is 100. He subtracts these $100 from the original price, so in the end Katya's offer is $300. Now, Tom uses the formula and fills in the known variables from Georg's offer, V equals 15 times 350/100. The result is $52.50. Tom subtracts this result from the original price and ends up at $297.50. Aha! With Georg's offer, Tom can save $2.50, many pennies make a dollar though. Nevertheless, Tom still kept an eye on Katya's smartphone because it only has a few scratches. They negotiate again and she grants him a discount of 26%. So in the end, he only pays $296 for his new phone. Percentages do pay off. Tom would never have believed this when his teacher told him so.